Hey gang, what's up? It's Jay for Jay Reagan's Garage. Glad you have you in here today. We'll be right back. Got a couple of things I want to talk about. Yeah, what the heck? We'll talk about them now. So last video I showed you I was doing this roof, and then I was watching the video during editing and noticed that I got a dent here and I got a dent here. See it? So do I have another dent there? Yeah, there's another flaw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to fix those and repaint them because they're sticking out like a sore thumb to me. Okay, there's another one right there. See it? But I also need gas. So I don't know, you guys probably know this, but if you leave the car sitting too long with not a lot of gas in the car, the gas, because it's corn gas, will develop water in it. And I'm going to go and fill this up, but I haven't been here in 2 weeks. Let's see, we got light here, so the battery must still be working. What do you think? You think it's going to turn over? Let's give it a shot. Now I'm going to go get gas if this does start up, and then I will come back here and fill up those dents. So it's going to be a shorty. I'm trying to be more effervescent. What do you think? All right, here we go. Yeah, turns over. Yeah, still runs. All right, we'll be back. I'm an idiot. Hey, where's my sun visor? I'll show you when I get home. Oh no, no brakes. Just kidding. All right, I'm going to be wrapping up this video really quickly. I did take the car out for a ride. Get some gas, topped it off with some sea foam. So I used the combination of this stuff, this glazing putty for like the spots that were not too deep. 1, 2, and then I used a little bit of body filler on this one that was a little bit deeper. And I'll use this if I have to. And then I'm gonna just spot paint these guys and call it a day on this. Yeah, you know, it don't look perfect, but it's good enough. Alright, so that's it for now. Something I did notice that the car was getting a little hot. You notice that the overflow from the radiator came out, so I'm not sure if I have some issue. I did run it around for about an hour today, and even though the temperature crept up a little bit, it was still not in the red. It didn't overboil or anything like that. So, alright, quick video. That's it. I got a lot of leaf work to do here, so that's what I'm going to do now, and signing off. See you guys soon. Bye. Stay warm. Hey, Wilson. Hey, Eli. So here is the visor that I told you about. So it was splitting up here on the one edge. So taking the opportunity to use my fishhook needle and just stitch this closed again.